Welcome to Accounting 300, Professionalism in Accountancy. My name is Dr. Ravenscraft, and I'll be your instructor this semester. I'd like to begin by going over the three main areas that we're going to focus on in this class. Those include professionalism and covering topics such as accounting recruitment and career preparedness, written communication, where you'll be learning about how to write business letters, business memos, and professional emails. And the third main component to our course is verbal communication, where we'll be talking about interpersonal communication and presentation skills. So let's take a look at each one in a little bit more detail. So starting with number 1, professionalism. The first major component of this course is preparing you for the accounting recruitment process. I'm sure most of you decided to come to college and declare your major as accounting because you're hoping to get a job in the accounting industry. The skills we're going to work on developing in this class are going to directly prepare you to succeed. So we are going to work on things like developing your resume, helping you learn what to say when you interact with recruiters and professionals, helping you understand how and when to attend career fairs, applying for positions, interviewing for internships, summer leadership programs, and eventually full-time jobs, with the hopes of receiving a full-time job offer. So in this class, we're going to work on developing your professional resume. So at this point in your academic career, we need to take whatever form of resume you have and turn it into an accounting-focused resume. We'll also help you learn how to develop an elevator pitch so that you know what to say and how to speak about yourself professionally. We'll talk about attending career fairs, both in person and virtually. We'll discuss the process of applying for jobs and when that should take place, and how you can succeed in interviews. All of this with the goal of hoping that you end up with a job offer. The second main component of this class focuses on written communication. We're going to talk about lots of different types of written communication, focusing primarily on business memos, business letters, and business email. One thing about the accounting profession is we accountants and CPAs perform a lot of research about highly technical topics. So it's really important that you know how to conduct research and that you know how to organize and communicate the information that you have and that you find to both the people that work with you and eventually to your clients. This will be a large part of your responsibilities when you start to work as a professional accountant. The third main component of our course focuses on verbal communication. We know communication impacts every aspect of our lives, so that's absolutely true when it comes to your professional development. You'll want to work on your interpersonal communication and verbal communication skills to prepare yourself for working in the accounting industry. You'll also get practice preparing presentations, whether you're giving an in-person presentation to a client or to coworkers, or maybe you're giving a virtual presentation or something over Zoom. My hope is that by helping you work on developing all of these skills, that you will be set up for success. That way, when you graduate and you start that full-time job, you're off to a great start. If you'd like to learn more, I encourage you to follow me on social media. You're welcome to connect with me on LinkedIn, and I also have a profile on Instagram at Dr. Ravenscraft. While you're there, feel free to give my dog Bo a follow as well at Adventures of Dr. Bo. Let's have a great semester.